This is a TTL doorbell. Now I will show you how to use it. 继续。We already added this device. Press the button to call. Okay. Alarm. Hello?
Hello.
放下来。